how to check the power current and voltage of USB ports. Have you ever wondered whether your USB ports are really delivering maximum power? There are several ways to find out. Windows offer your built functions to check the performance of your USB ports. At the same time, third party apps and physical tools such as voltmeter, voltmeter and can provide information. Start with the device manager in Windows. Typing manager in the search of bar of the Windows taskbar opens the doors to a detailed review of your hardware. Under universal serial bus controls, you will find everything you need to know about your USB ports. Right click on USB root hub or generic USB hub and select properties. Then click on the Detail tab. Thunder Property. Select Power Data. This data reveals the power classifications which range from DO, the highest power, to D3, the lowest. For those who prefer a more visual of power-friendly method, the free USB review software offer an excellent alternative as a portable program. It saves you having to install it. The tool pro- provides detailed information on the specifications of your computer's USB ports. After downloading and running tools, you will see the USB ports in a list. Check the power column to find out how much power the port is using. Alternatively, you can uh, you can also use a USB voltmeter. The small measuring hardware is not only suitable for computers but also for other devices such as smartphones and power bank. The small but powerful tools can be connected directly to the USB port and you instantly measure voltage, current, and the power. It offers a direct, uncomplicated method of testing performance and ensuring that you can charging your device often option optimally. We recommended, for example, and are suitable for determining the actual performance of your USB ports. Deeper understanding of your USB ports can be useful in many ways to step your for troubleshooting or simply make sure your device name getting power they need. This article originally appeared